Hola amigos, bienvenidos a High Vibes Travel. Mi name is Mauricio. Welcome to High Vibes Travel. My name is Morris. In this video, we're gonna do something different. Last week, we filmed Mike and Marissa Pastor. They're fitness instructors, also life coaches. I'll put all the description under the video. And so when the video ended, this guy over here, don't be shy, don't be shy. His name is Air Force 2. He saw the Zumba class nearby and he decided to film it. Unfortunately, he didn't have a lot of memory and he didn't have a lot of battery. And plus it was actually cloudy here, and that's really rare here in Puerto Vallarta. So today is round 2 of filming this Zumba class. Super nice people, high vibes, good music. They do classes outside, they do classes inside. So it's gonna be a great day. And side note, I do all this for free. I enjoy filming with this guy, with my GoPro. And so if you have any weddings and stuff, just let me know, comment below, contact me. I would love to do it, and I do the best I can. And like I said, I do everything for free. It's a good way of giving back to the community. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Listo? Listo? Vamos. Oh, wait, guys, if you don't mind, could you like this video? And if you're not subscribed, could you subscribe to this and to see more videos like this, or all my adventures here in Mexico? Now vamos.
Vacilón, ella lo que quiere vacilón. Vacilón, ella lo que quiere vacilón.